Hey lovelies, welcome to the first in my series of my real life real kitchen review of my Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. In this episode, we'll be testing the air frying program using some sweet potato and some chicken breast. Ensure to watch to the end because I'll be sharing my special stir-fried potato and chicken recipe with you. Please like, subscribe, share, and click on the notification bell so you get notifications on our subsequent videos. Let's get into the cooking. I'll start by peeling my potato. I'm using some Irish potato for this recipe. And then we'll cut our potato into smaller sizes. We'll transfer this into a bowl. I'll be seasoning my potato with some salt, some chili, paprika, and black pepper, and a teaspoon of olive oil. Just sprinkle it up, give it a good shake. You can also use your hand or anything, but this is gonna be fine. And then we'll set it aside. We'll be using some chicken breast. This is a chicken breast. We'll cut this into smaller sizes. After transferring the diced chicken into a bowl, I'll be seasoning it with some Suya powder, some paprika, some chili pepper, some onion seasoning, ginger and garlic powder, some black pepper, a pinch of salt, and some liquid bouillon seasoning, just a little. So I'll give this a good mix. I'll massage gently so that everything combines perfectly. So I'll cover this and leave it in my refrigerator while I prep other things. To air fry our potato, we'll click on the air fry, go to time, set a time. I want it to be at 20 minutes, and temperature, it rotates, so you can just change it to whatever temperature you want, but I'll leave it at 150 degrees. I want it to cook slowly, and I'll press start. When I press start, it doesn't just start immediately, it's going to preheat. So we're going to wait for it to preheat until we are asked to add the food that we are about to air fry. It's now time to add the food. To do that, I'll just bring out my cooking basket, place my potato in it. I'm also spreading my potato so they all have enough space to cook evenly. Halfway through the cooking, the air fryer notifies you to turn your food, and when that happens, you just bring out your cooking basket, flip your food over, and continue cooking. It's 20 minutes and our potato is well air fried. This is how it looks. Looks good. Ooh, it's well cooked. It's soft on the inside and it's crispy on the outside. So we'll set this aside and go ahead to air fry our chicken to see how it will come out. Okay, this is our marinated chicken. I'll pour it into our air fryer basket, then go ahead to air fry it. So I'll be separating the chicken. That looks okay. So I'll just put this back into the air fryer. I'll set the air fry. I have to reduce the time to 5 minutes, and I'll still keep the temperature, and then I'll start. It's 5 minutes. Let's see if our chicken is well air fried. And now this is how it looks. Yeah, it's well air fried. It's crispy and it's not dry. It's not so dry. So if they fried it well, we'll just turn it and we'll go to the next step, which is our potato and chicken stir fried. Stay tuned. To make a stir fry, I'll be greasing my pan. I'm using 2 tablespoons of oil. You could use any oil of your choice, but I'm using canola oil. So we'll leave this to heat up a little bit. Next, we'll be going in with our chopped garlic. We'll give this a good stir. Next, I'll be going in with my chopped onion. I also give this a good stir. It smells so good. Next, I'll be going in with my chopped carrots. I'll go ahead to stir this. It's now time to go in with my veggies. I also give this a good stir to combine. I'll go in with some chopped Scotch Bonnets, just a little, and I'll season this with some curry, thyme, chili and paprika. Give it a good stir to combine. I'll further season it with some bouillon cubes. This is our air fried potato. We'll be going in with it, and then we'll stir it gently. We're going with our chicken as well. We'll give it a good stir. Now we'll be going in with our sauce. We'll start going with our soy sauce. I'll be going in with some oyster sauce. And lastly, I'll be going in with my sesame oil. Once that is done, I'll combine it gently so that everything mixes. At this point, you should be cooking on a low heat. So I'll just stir this and then leave it to sit on a low heat so that everything incorporates. So I'll just leave this on a low heat for a minute. I'll be topping this up with some parsley flakes and Italian herbs, and then I'll give it a good stir. You can add fresh parsley, but I don't have fresh parsley, then I'm using a dry parsley. Okay. So our chicken and potato stir fry is ready. I like the outcome of the air frying program. The chicken and potato came out all well done. Wasn't dry nor burnt, was crispy on the outside but still moist on the inside. We all enjoyed it, including my daughter. She couldn't have enough of it. Everybody asked that I make another one the next day. That's to tell you how nice it was. This resulted to one of my best potato and chicken stir fry have made in a while, and I absolutely love it. Please ensure to like, subscribe, share and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post subsequent videos.